So that's why sa ating first acquisition, nakalagay dun sa contract natin that we are putting the money into it, naka-hold siya for 3 years. That's gonna be renewed during that period of time, after 3 years. So, of course, death can happen anytime, disability can happen anytime, and for whatever reason, partners have situations where they would want to withdraw anytime. Yun yung mga exceptions at some point. As a partnership, gusto natin na ma-address lahat yung issues na yon ngayon pa lang sa inceptions natin. So everybody has that peace of mind na hindi tayo magkakaroon ng any issues in the future. Sabi nga ng mga negosyante, kapag ka daw tayo ay consumer lang, hindi tayo aasenso kasi kailangan daw maging producer tayo.
Hindi consumer.
Hindi consumer lang. So, ano kayo po-produce natin? Housing.
Apartment.
Strategic planning kasi ang ginawa namin ito sa hindi talaga basta cruise lang, hindi bakasyon. Strategic planning, paano tayo mag-grow as a group. Actually, yung listing agent natin, i-share ko lang, sister. Nag-message siya na by February, there might be another property coming up. Kaya dapat ready tayo doon.
Wow.
Tingnan natin kung mag-make sense yung numbers.
That's good. That's good.
Kung may bubunutin. Bunutin.
Bunutin ng bunutin. Mag-iipon-ipon lang tayo, no? Naalala ko tuloy yung message. Kanina nakikinig kami kay Grant May mga nagtatanong kasi sa kanya kung negosyo daw ba yung bumili ng, let's say, isang unit ng rental property. Naalala ko tuloy si Brian. Kasi si Brian meron siyang isang rental property. Si Sister Bernadette meron isang rental property. Si Jay, nagbabalak yan before makabili ng rental property. Right? Jason? Sabi, ang tanong na yun, negosyo daw ba yan? Sabi niya, no, it's not a business, it's another job.
You're a manager. Nakita ko po yun yung post ni Kuya Orly.
Sinad ko nga dun sa yung kagabi meron yung kausap si Jimmy na punta sa party na meron na kasi silang paupahan na isa. Tapos nagbabalak nga daw na bibili. Tapos na-mention niya yung yan, itong ginagawa natin. Interesado siya. So I think he will join sa Zoom yung general info session natin.
Kaya kasi kailangan talaga matutunan natin to kasi even our lawyers, our accountants, even although ang bank natin will na rin siya dahil marami na daw siyang na-handle na ganitong klaseng limited partnership where before kasi parang it's not even sinking in my head sa real estate. Kasi bago ka nga mag-qualify sa pag-acquire lang ng property, parang ang hirap di ba? Second property nga, ang hirap Parang pinipiga ka ng husto, right, Brian? Pag bumibili ng property. Like, nasa ng income mo, magkano kaya bang supportahan yan ng sweldo mo or ng income mo, or can the first property stand on itself na magbabayad siya para sa sarili niya. So ang hirap, and then only to find out pwede palang mag-pool ng funds and come up with a corporation, although dahil first time natin, ang dami nating parang this is new to us. Kaya it's an education talaga na massive. Pero at the end of the day, sabi ni Coach, sa simula lang yan. After your first, gonna be easy next time. Right now, meron ng pinadala si lawyer na documents sa atin. It was sent during the time na nasa cruise kami, kaya ngayon lang namin na-review. There are a lot of information doon sa document. Kaya even before naman, prior to our trip, sinabi sa atin ni lawyer, diba, sister, na kung sakasakali, we have to sit down with all of the partners to discuss what's in the contract. So, hold on. I'm just checking kung meron. Okay. So, yun yung aming ginagawang review ngayon, and we're gonna be sending back questions to our lawyer. So, most likely this coming week. Hello, sister ko. Merry Christmas, Jen. Mag-say hi ka muna sa group. About, Jen, meron na tayong dumating na documents from the lawyer, and we are reviewing yung agreements, yung contracts. Ang daming readings na kailangan. Most likely, sooner, we're gonna sit down with the lawyer kasi magkakaroon ng meet up to discuss what's in the contract before signing everything. So, that will happen anytime. As far as I know, sister, si lawyer ay nasa bakasyon.
Sa Mexico.
Sa Mexico ba?
Sagap na naman yung Marites.
Yeah, so another family joined. Sila Mina at Mike. Hello, Min. Mike, hello. Update lang, Mike. We have all the documents now from our lawyer. It was sent during the time that we're on cruise. Kaya ngayon lang namin nire-review to, and we have some questions. And then after this, it will be recapped and it will be discussed to us, all of us, sa lawyer's office. So, gonna be the next step, meeting up with the lawyer, signing documents, and then after signing all the documents, then that's the time we'll be funding, sending our money to the bank on trusts. Ganun na mangyayari naman. So, 3 steps from review and signing at the lawyer's office. And then, mangyayari ito before the end of the year after Ian's vacation, or maybe on the 2nd, 3rd of January. I think that will gonna happen. And we already, I think na-update na natin, sister, na we already spoke with our property management company. So, we'll keep everything intact. Meron tayong property management under Premier Properties Management. And we have our caretaker who's also outside siya ng property management, but it's been taken care of. So, both of those two services catered yan, taken care of ng income ng property natin, ng Jefferson. So, overall, it will support itself moving forward, and then counting on tayo dun sa distributions ng ating spill. I call it spill. May sobra tayo pa konti-konti muna, and then lalaki yan over time. Ang expectations natin to do it every single month, but most likely on the first year, we'll see kung mangyayari yon na quarterly muna and then monthly. Depending dun sa reportings, kasi ang pinaka-importante is yung makapag-set up tayo ng portal where you can see all the activities ng inyong investment. Ano nangyayari, how much is this and that, and all the reports. Nakalagay yan dun sa portal natin. Kakakausap pa lang namin before our trip doon sa gagawa ng portal. I think we're gonna meet up again. Hindi pa nag-update na, sister?
Hindi pa.
Yeah, yun yung next na gagawin namin. On your end naman, merong information na isi-share si Ate Berna. Everybody's calling her Ate Berna. Tungkol sa...
Tita na ako ng iba.
Oo nga, maganda yung ate, hindi tumatanda. Kasi pag tita, ang kasunod na lola ano ba yan?
Lola.
Tungkol dun sa ating financials. So it's more of our personal protection, and then kasi nga even in this partnership, lalagyan din natin siya ng component ng insurance. So everybody's investment is protected. Okay, so take it away, sister. It's your turn.
Okay, mga kapatid. So yung sa insurance, so palagi ko alam naman natin lahat or aware tayo kung ano yung insurance, pero kung merong sa group na hindi masyadong kung ano ang sa insurance, pero pag-usapan lang natin ngayon with regards to insurance nung ating sa corporation, no? Or yung sa partnership natin. Maraming ways kung saan pwedeng gamitin ang insurance, lalong-lalo nga kung individual o kaya kung ganito na may business. May mga insurance na kino-cover yung key person, halimbawa para just in case something happen ay madaling ma-replace, no? But it's, I think hindi siya applicable masyado dito sa ating ginagawa kasi ang atin naman ay, although malaki yung natin kasi it's in millions, pero hindi naman yung is in place na lahat ang mga transactions. Like andyan yung property, meron man tayong property management, meron naman tayong caretaker. So I believe hindi crucial yung magkaroon ng key person insurance. But the insurance that's recommended for us is like, let's say something happened sa one of the investors, paano babayaran ng corporation ang family noong, let's say, no investor na yon. There's a recommendation na pwede natin gawin, kumuha ng, let's say, term insurance ang bawat isa, and ang corporation naman ang magbabayad ng premium. Pero once na ginawa natin yon, kasi ang beneficiary ay ang nagbabayad ay corporation, so ang beneficiary corporation din, so that the corporation can easily obtain the cash to pay out yung beneficiary no knock on wood nung walang partner. Okay? So yun yung isa. Isa namang maganda rin sa corporation yung tinatawag natin na parang another piece of asset ng corporation. So we have the real estate, we have the building. This one is like parang paper asset. So it may not be all of the partners ay magiging insured o siya yung i-insure. But pag merong ganon na halimbawang, let's say insure natin si Sister Mel, kasi si Sister Mel yung pinakatalagang head ng operation, yung type ng investment na gano'n, nag-accumulate ng funds or yung surrender value, net surrender value or cash value ng policy. So, let's say after 10 years or after 20 years or whatever, pag meron ng enough na cash value, pwedeng i-withdraw or i-borrow ng corporation yung funds na na-accumulate doon para i-invest ulit. So, that's another way of how insurance can help a corporation. So, kung gusto niyo i-avail yung aking help with regards to, halimbawa, i-assess yung mga needs, i-analyze natin yung needs ninyo, I can help you with that. We just have to book an appointment para tulungan ko kayo, and not necessarily bibili kayo ng insurance if you're not ready, but I'll help you to identify kung ano yung alam ko mga dapat i-cover with insurance. Yon. At kung gusto din nyo halimbawang ipa-review yung mga current insurance niyo, that's a special service na I can provide sa group kasi para to make sure that every part yan ng ating financial planning. Yeah.
But, sister, yung sa I know we all siguro yung ating lahat ng members, ng partners especially, we have nag-raise ng hand si Mike. Mike, I'll call you after nitong question ko kay sister. Dun sa insurance natin, we are all individual kasi ang partnership it's more on, so we will gather together as partners, but at the end of the day meron tayong individual contribution. So it's more of the individual thing. Yung paper asset, sister, how is the formation of that? Paano yung
that will be permanent insurance yun, sister. So it will be a whole life participating policy. Mas mura kung bata yung ating i-insured. So isang partner na yung And we'll discuss it in further details. Pag-iisipan natin talaga kung sino ang dapat i-insured natin for that. Kasi it's a bit costly na pagka medyo may edad na ang i-insure.
Kailangan pala meron tayo. Sino pinakabata sa atin dito? Alam ko may bata isip dito. Yung katabi ko.
Hindi ako kasi ate ako.
So, maganda pala meron tayong batang kapartner, no? Para yun yung... pero it doesn't necessarily mean if it is a GP or LP.
I don't think it's as long as magiging talagang permanent siya doon. Kasi pag in-insure natin, that insured, kasi corporation magbabayad, di ba?
Correct.
Ng premium. So, if in case something happened to that person, ang beneficiary is corporation. Ganoon. So, that's one. Meron yung proceeds noon. So, syempre, nagpa-insure tayo ng, $500,000, for example, or 1 million, the corporation will be the beneficiary. The other one that I was talking earlier is about yung cash value ng policy na lumalaki over time, na pwede natin gamitin sa investment. Ipupull out natin. Para i-invest ulit, ibili ulit ng another building.
That's correct. That's correct. Okay, so Mike, it's your turn and then we'll followed by Brian.
Question po about dun, bali kind of compounded question. So kung magpapakukuha tayo ng insurance na ang magbabayad will be corporation, will that be get from the shares ng members? So that's my first question. Kasi when you say ang corporation, we are the corporation, di ba? So it's more on yung members as part of the corporation, yung shares nila doon kukunin yung payment for the insurance. And then second is if something happened dun sa isa sa member ng corporation, so yung insurance is ibabayad sa ang beneficiary will be the corporation para bayaran yung or para bigyan yung or ibigyan yung namatay na member ng corporation. But why do we have to pay yung member ng corporation? Hindi ba may babalik yung share doon sa members kapag yung member na namatay, hindi ba pwedeng ibalik yung shares niya doon sa corporation, doon sa family ng members? Or iba pa yon, separate pa yon yung insurance na makukuha ng corporation at ibibigay doon sa deceased member? So that's two question, and I think na ko yung sinasabi nyo about the policy loan, pero siguro iba na lang yun. Baka mas malito ako, ginito ako. So yun na lang muna po. So yun lang yung yung insurance ng property. So
yeah. So if it's a corporation, magiging expense kasi yun ng corporation. So from the magiging operating expense niya.
So yun nga po. So yun nga sa operating expense will be coming from the shares ng membership and also yung mga magiging income or magiging income ng business in the future. So doon kukunin yung operating expenses, diba? So even din sa shares sa mga members. So yun, so doon kukunin yung payment ng insurance. Tapos kapag ka na-insure po, tapos syempre, will that be every single one of us has to go through the process of i-check how yung gagawin yung ating mga medical and everything like that. Tapos so every single one of us will do that. And then if one of the members pass away, yung beneficiary is the corporation. So the yung makukuha ng corporation, bibigyan yung member. Ano pong ibibigay doon sa member. So and yeah, so yung mga ganun po.
Yeah. So, and I can understand kung ano yung naiisip mo. Not necessarily kasi depende sa ating limited partnership agreement, kasi kung halimbawa knock on wood namatay nga yung isa sa partner, kailangan ba outright i-buy out ang partner na yon or pwede bang i-transfer? So hindi ko pa nabasa yon sa partnership agreement, Sister Mel. Nabasa mo na ba yon?
I think it's hindi ko siya nabasa. It's part of the limited partners. Maybe doon yun sa bandang dulo. Kasi we just started, parang nasa kalahati pa lang kami nung discussion, and it's like, almost 6 o'clock na, kaya we jumped into the call.
Yeah.
Pero, it was discussed on one of our sessions with the lawyer.
The lawyer.
Kasi nabanggit nga na, and then we discussed it prior to that, kasi yun sinasabi na, okay, ang partners, kumbaga tayong 10, tayo yung may karapatan doon sa kung knock on wood may mawawalang isa. So, yung kanyang share, hindi yan basta ibibigay sa iba or will come invite another partner outside of the 10. So, tayo muna, so yung siyam. Now, ang question doon is, so detailed na to, I hope everybody is on this page right now. It's a very detailed thing. Ang question na nag-arise noon was, is the partners, yung 9 partners na matitira, are they ready to acquire yung nawalang partner? Right? Are they ready? So, doon pumasok na, siguro mas maganda if we have an insurance that is there, just in case this thing happens, walang magiging issue pagdating sa replacement kasi the funds is ready. Yun yung tinitingnan namin na point on. And it was also discussed. Kaya nga sa recommendation ni lawyer sa atin, and even the bank also recommended na magkaroon tayo ng meeting with family members being present regarding succession. That is a very important discussions, and I'm so excited to do that as well. Kasi makikita natin and malalaman natin yung responses ng ating mga anak just in case. Diba? Because all of us, except Jason, I believe, as kids. So meron tayong, so ano yung succession natin, plan. So maybe si Jason, meron siyang kapatid, pamangkin, or whatnot na pwede niyang maisama to come on board. Kasi yun yung very exciting event na mangyayari right after possession. Yun yung gusto natin i-hold agad. Kasi by then, we'll see, our family is on board with us. So kahit sila ay naka-Zoom ko lang, and some of us are in the present, like nandun tayo sa isang, let's say, place, we gather together, and then they come on, parang, they're not necessarily to be present. Maraming mga kids ngayon na parang ayaw nilang sumama sa matatanda. I don't know. Well, I have an excuse. I can join Jed, na andito na si Jed by then. For sure, mafo-force ko siyang isama. But majority of our kids, they just wanna be like, but of course, yung dalawa ko dahil nasa US yun, naka yun. But for sure, all of them will be interested about this discussion. For sure yun, for sure. Kasi kung hindi sila interested, we're gonna be canceling them out right away from our no, just kidding.
Dagdag ko lang since nabanggit nyo to. Pero siguro this is more on in-depth discussion in the future. Pero maybe something to consider. So this is not just talking about death. Then what if a member decided to leave?
To leave,
So,
yeah, that's
so-
right. There's
so-
disability too, Mike.
Yes.
Right?
So ang nangyayari is, from what I'm hearing, is maybe this again. Maybe we can discuss it in more detail in the future. Is that
Yes.
parang pala it will be upon the membership's parang responsibility or task na if kunyari ang member or gustong umalis or kunin yung maging disabled and want to get yung kanyang share, so hindi pala basta-basta kasi it will be parang shouldered by the remaining existing members ang yung pagbabalik ng share. Is that what I'm saying? Is that the reason why we're also getting insurance? Kasi if ever a member pass away, yung kanyang share is kapag nag-decide na hindi na itutuloy walang succession na ma-replace yun, it will be the memberships or yung insurance ang magbabigay ng share ng membership ng member na nagpo-pass away. Is that what I'm hearing? Ganon?
It's
Yeah.
something like that. Yeah, something like that. So that's why sa ating first acquisition, nakalagay dun sa contract natin that we are putting the money into it, naka-hold siya for 3 years. That's gonna be renewed during that period of time, after 3 years. So, of course, death can happen anytime, disability can happen anytime, and for whatever reason, partners have situations where they would want to withdraw anytime, correct? Yun yung mga exceptions at some point. So, as a corporate or as a partnership, gusto natin na ma-address lahat yung issues na yon ngayon pa lang sa inceptions natin. So everybody has that peace of mind na hindi tayo magkakaroon ng any issues in the future. So that we have to put something in place. Kaya even that part, when the lawyer discussed it over, tumakbo na agad yung utak namin ni sister. I was like, oo nga. Anyways, andyan naman siya to take care of that part of the finance side. So, may nagbigay, and even the lawyer that is handling yung ating sa Restol and Restol, he has that kind of insurance in place doon sa kanyang law office.
Corporation.
So, we're on the right track.
Insurance now makes sense with the idea na we have to hold, meron tayong 3 to 5 years, so maybe 3 years hold. So, now it makes sense. So, mas naging clear why it is needed to be in place. So, yeah, thank you.
That's right. Okay. Thank you, Mike. So, next is Brian.
Yung sa akin po medyo almost same din po eh. More on in-depth na question kung paano nga po yung mangyayari kung yung sabi nga po namatay, disability, or gusto umalis. Paano, ang gusto ko po malaman is medyo in-depth na nga po yung information. Paano po i-spread yung share nung nawala kung walang succession? Equally po ba siya dun sa remaining 9? Ang isang pa pong tanong is kung paano po yung partner A, B, C gustong bilhin yung shares nung aalis. Sila lang po ba yung maghahati dun sa share? For sure, ang tingin ko. Or mag-go through yung insurance po muna. Ano po mas, parang mas priority? Kung within po sa atin, kung sino po ba yung mas malaking share, siya yung mas may pwede po munang bumili, or equally po tayo, sabay-sabay tayo, pwede po natin siyang i-buy out. Yun po, medyo in-depth na po yung question. Yun lang po.
Sister,
Okay, sister. Go ahead.
yeah, so I think we hindi pa tayo nakarating doon sa nilagay ni McCall kung ano yung inilagay sa distribution of shares. So we will report back to the group pag once na natin kung ano yung nakalagay doon, ano yung sinuggest nila. And for sure, we can always pag-uusapan natin kung everybody's agreeable with that recommendation, recommendation ng lawyer. With regards to disability, I think hindi yun, death lang ang magiging sa aking palagay better na i-cover. Kasi pag disability naman, not necessarily na babuy out naman kasi well, we have to think about that kasi ang disability insurance is not the same as life insurance. It's not a whole amount na makukuha. No? So far, I think life lang ang natin, ang dapat kuhanin.
Okay. I think yan yung isa sa discussion natin with the lawyer as well. Kasi importanting topic yung transfer or succession or buying out of partner share.
Yeah, because with what I remember doon nung kausap natin yung lawyer, so pagka halimbawa ay ayaw na or for some reason in 3 years ayaw na nung isang partner, then may protocol. Ano yung mga first? Halimbawa, first it has to be offered to the group. Parang ganon.
Yeah.
Or is it, kung wala sa group, can be offered outside, halimbawa sa family. At kung wala sa family, can it be offered to another person, another partner?
Outside of the partnership.
Oo, but it will be voted through voting,
I
right?
think that's what the votes are for.
But we will review. Let's review what was recommended by Rastal,
Mhm.
and so we can have another discussion about it.
Mhm. Kasi yung pinadala sa atin is it's a template where every parang ano siya it's a standard contract ng limited partnership. I'm just actually thinking if it would be appropriate na i-share to sister with everybody.
Yeah.
The
With the whole partnership.
the limited partnership.
The limited partnership. I think kasi like from now meron na tayo agad mga questions ourselves eh.
Yeah,
So
meron.
I think it's better that we go through first and then we vet it with Macol and bago ipabasa sa kanila lahat para at least kasi
Fine.
yung na-iron na yung mga maliliit na nakita natin or kung ano man yun
Sige.
na makita natin
Okay.
para hindi na madoble ang the same question most likely the same questions will be asked then.
Yeah. Sige.
No.
Okay.
Oo, gawin natin
Agree with that.
hopefully after the meeting.
Sure.
I agree with that. Maybe if we are, for example, we're gonna meet face to face tomorrow, maybe you can send us today para we can review, para ma-ready rin namin yung question when we meet face to face the
Very
next
good.
day. And then we write the question before even going to the lawyer na clear out or na question na lahat ng mga naiinisip ng mga question.
Yeah, sige. Noted yan. Magandang suggestion.
Mm-mm.
Any other questions from the group?
Pa-explain po ulit yung sinabi nyo kanina na kung sino po yung kukunin natin na mas bata or lahat po tayo mga covered naman din po. Pa-explain nga po ulit yung kasi
Yeah.
medyo naguluhan po.
Hindi. Kasi pagka insurance kasi, dalawang bagay yung nagda-drive ng price, no? So, isa yung age nga at saka health, considering halimbawa pare-pareho lang ang amount ng coverage. So, yun yung kung pareho tayong dalawa, magpapa-insure ng let's say 500,000, for sure, malaki ang expense ng corporation sa akin kung ako ang magpapa-insure dahil mas matanda ako sa'yo. But, syempre, kung lifespan ang pag-uusapan, mas malapit ako kasi mas matanda ako. Ganon. Pero kung pagka kasi gagawin natin na this policy will be a paper asset of the corporation kasi we're looking into growing the cash value.
Correct.
So, mas maganda kung bata. Sa akin talaga. But I can run both numbers para ma-compare natin. Like ako, maybe what I need sisters, and if the group will permit, hihingin ko yung kanilang mga birthdays,
Okay.
and whether you are a smoker or not, and the total contribution of each.
Right.
Para matingnan ko na yung kung saan po pwede. And then we will deliberate. We will decide
Very good.
together. Mm-mm.
Sige,
Yeah.
sister, sa ating group chat, you can send a message saying I need to get your
Or may-
this and this and that.
Or maybe they can just is that kasi proprietary information if they want to just contact me directly. so tayo lang dalawa nakakaalam kung
Kung anong edad, ano?
ano edad mo. Oo, ganun. Yeah. But as what other corporation are doing, pagka corporation talaga, so kumbaga, ambawa may gross income tayong 1 million at ang cost ng ating insurance is 10,000. So, bago tayo mag-arrive sa net income, mababawas yung 10,000 na yon. For example. Yeah.
Right.
Hindi mababawasan yung shares mo o bawat isa sa atin, but it will be an operating expense. Yeah.
Operating expense ng company. Yeah. I think, Papa, you have to share something. Very interesting ang insurance, diba? It made me feel like we're getting ready for the unforeseen, which is one of the most important thing in the planning.
Yeah.
Remember, nobody's indispensable.
Yeah, true. And ako, because I'm in the business, it's so sad nga. Ngayon, it's like four claims ang hinahandle ko.
Wow.
Okay, wow.
Yeah.
We have to consider ano talaga yung goal natin, why we want to get an insurance. Kasi if we are focusing on income replacement in a way, nung mawawala na member, then and not investment, then that will be two different things. Kasi if we are to focus on cash value na investment, I do agree na kailangan mas matagal para mag-accumulate ng cash value. Kasi cash value takes about 5 years minimum to start getting a cash value. So kung ang goal natin is for investment in the future, para magkaroon tayo ng policy, we can do policy loan para tayo na another property, then that would be longer and kailangan natin younger people. Mas mahal. And gano'n. But if it is income replacement, if a member pass away, tapos matulungan natin mag-continue yung part ng members, yung kanyang membership, then that would be a term, which is I agree. Kaya nga, as early as possible, we can identify ano ba yung magiging goal natin, why we want to get that insurance. So,
It's not actually income replacement, brother, to buy out yung investment mo.
pero if may gustong mag-continue from the
Yun,
lineage,
yun nga.
di ba?
So, yun nga yung pag-anuhan natin. Ano ba yung first na option? First na option is like, let's say to buy out or to transfer to yung ganon.
Another partner.
Sa partner or another family member. What if kung ayaw? Ano yung next option? Parang magkakaroon tayo nun. And that has to be written nga, naka-black and white, na ito yung pinag-agrihan natin. Para pagdating ng araw, wala na tayong magiging problema, kumbaga.
Ay, saka pala, yung insurability ng tao, kasi kagaya ko, lahat ng sakit to, kinuha ko na eh. So, hindi ko alam kung kaya. Kung may
Yeah, and yun din nga isa lang yan sa mga recommended na pwede natin gawin. But if we don't want it, it's totally up to us kung ayaw. Ngayon, ano ang mangyayari? Kasi iniisip lang natin, halimbawa may nangyari. Tapos, ayaw na talaga ng family na mag-continue, for example, and then, etong walang may sa partners na iba, kumbaga, wala silang kakayanan na buy-outin yung tao na yon. So, kasi kung may insurance, ang company, kasi not necessarily, baka wala ring pera pa yung company. Wala pang enough funds. Kaya yung insurance, yung talagang liquid na mayroon agad na kung ano man ang maging desisyon, the money is there.
Ang gandang discussions. Ganda.
Yeah.
It's a mind opener.
Yeah, actually, ang life insurance, I can see how it benefit talaga yung like yung itong isa kong nagke-claim ngayon, talaga buti na lang mayroon silang life insurance kasi hindi niya kakayanin. Having 3 children with all the obligations, yung mga mortgage at mga expenses sa bahay. Ngayon, mababayaran yung bahay niya. That's on the personal side.
That's right. Actually, isa din yun. We really have to check on yung review ng ating personal coverage para at least we have something in place talaga. Importante sa atin yun. And of course, meron tayong review nung magkano ba yung binabayaran natin sa ganon. For sure, Ate Berna will gonna be so
Yeah. I'll be willing to sit down with you and I'll share with you what I know, and it's totally your decision if you want to do it, or maybe you have your own insurance agent na that you are related, yung meron na kayong katay, and it's okay with me.
It's more of just a review of
Yeah.
what's already in
A
place.
service ko lang yun sa inyo.
Mhm.
Siyempre, kung mas
It's a
mabuti
free
kong
service. It's good to avail.
Yeah.
Okay.
But I don't mind if you have your own
Yeah,
preferred
it's okay.
insurance.
Yun ang maganda eh, kasi we're all part of the group and we all
Yes.
want to be transparent to everybody. As we always say, gusto natin yung ano tayo dito, open, very open pagdating sa communication natin, and anything that you think will benefit everyone, just share it. And then kung sa tingin nyo meron kayong mga questions that bugs you, then open it up para at least mabigyan natin ng
May lilitan.
or solution or ano dapat natin gawin, something like that. Yeah, we're here together. So yun ang gusto ko dito. We have a community.
Family. Naalala ko nung nagwo-work pa ako lagi ko sinasabi, eto yung second family ko talaga.
Yes.
Eto yung second family ko.
A family to lean on. So, anyways, Mr. 10X.
NX,
Paborito
Canada
ko yun.
and Philippines.
Meron niyang Canada at saka meron niyang Philippines.
Sa
Yeah.
Sa susunod, meron pa yung Dubai.
Alam mo, yung mga interesting kasi next year natin, napaka-exciting. Kasi yung mga nakausap namin, yung kapatid ko, alam mo naman mga kapatid, may sa huli. Ngayon lang sila nagkaka-interest. Kailangan lang natin, ang tawag ko nga doon, STP, show the plan. Yeah, yun lang naman sharing, we're not selling, we're sharing.
Sharing the opportunity.
Yung nga palang
STO.
experience namin nung sa boat, nagkaroon kami ng chance mag-reset. Nagkaroon uli kami ng gawing maliliwanag yung aming dreams. Dream again. Nasa ba yung nasa
Oh, yeah.
Meron akong ginawa Magandang lagi nakikita sa cellphone yung gusto mo mangyari.
Nag-advise kasi si
Dream board.
Kita mo sa kanila mo, i-share mo dun sa
I'll
club.
send it with the club. Sige.
Tsaka dito sa team natin, ang sarap ng laging natin, someone to check us on us na how are you? Kamusta ka? Kasi meron kami dinalaw sa hospital. Pag nagkasakit ka, parang gumuguho yung pangarap
I know.
So hindi lang tayo negosyo, puro pangarap, puro business. Ang foundation din dito yung siyempre health natin. Kamustahan tayo? Kasi ang hirap nung isa naming kaibigan na dinalaw ko sa hospital, parang give up na agad siya sa mga pangarap niya because merong sakit. Kaya mas maganda yung minsan nakamusta natin yung bawat isa. I-avail natin itong grupo na to na hindi lang pure business. Pero ang foundation nito, syempre, una, bakit natin ginagawa? Una, ang God bago ang ating dream, ang ating family, di ba?
Mhm.
Yan ang maganda doon. Kaya 10X, sunod siguro yung 10X principle na tinuro sa atin ni Mentor.
Yeah.
Maganda ding natin.
Mm-mm.
I wish that next year baka mag-order ako ng mga sombrero na to. Mas mahal pa nga yung
Paborita niya.
Pagpapaburda. Mas mahal pa kayo
Pinaburda
sa
ko.
sombrero.
Alam mo, napansin to sa US, sa mall, sa LA, napansin to sa airport, napansin to ng police,
Sa boat.
sa boat, napansin nila. Sabi niya, kilala ko siya, si 10X, kilala ko siya.
Mm.
Yeah. Sila interesadong pag-usapan about ano ba yung ginagawa niyo sa 10X? Ano bang business niyo sa 10X? O meron silang point of pag-uusapan, di ba?
That's right.
Yeah, kasi kesa ilagay ko dyan Nike. Wala naman tayong business kay Nike. Adidas. Ay lalagay ko na 10X. Di ba? 10X.
Pinadala ko sa inyo yung
Ayan,
yung
yan yung mga dream board
yan
ang
yung
tawag.
magiging gawa daw tayo. Sabi nung anak, natutunan ko dun sa anak ko. Sabi niya, Mom, we were on the parang goal setting. Yun yung ating next discussion actually. So before the year ends, gawa kayo ng ganito, parang dream board. Nagagawin nyo siyang parang sa inyong cellphone. Yun yung pinaka-wallpaper nyo. So,
Canva raw, di ba?
yeah, use Canva so you can see it anytime. So I just put there
Nakita nila yan.
pinadala ko sa inyong group natin. So ang business ko is buying and selling real estate. So I need to sell 100 houses next year. And then sa 2025 acquisition, I want 500 units, which is equivalent to 80 million by 2025.
Wow.
Creating legacy yung aking pinaka-theme.
Mas maganda daw yung pangarap, yung parang nakakatakot no?
Nakakatakot na pangarap yan. Pero at the center of it is your family,
Yeah.
right?
Eh, sabi nga,
you're doing it not for anybody.
Libreng mangarap lakihan mo na. Di ba? Lakihan mo na.
Ang mga, okay, so lakihan natin.
Tsaka yan ang magpupuel sa atin para lumakas ang ating fighting spirit o loob, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Yan ang pinaka dun
Mhm.
Tsaka dito sa grupo natin, parang may kakampi ka, may kasangga ka. May nagkakaintindihan tayo doon sa ating pinag-uusapan, di ba?
Mm-mm.
Kasi pag kinausap mo dito, yung hindi ito naintindihan, mahirap. Wala kang kakampi. Dito sa club natin, meron tayong kakampi.
Mhm.
Di ba? Show me your friends and I will tell who you are. Milyonaryo to, lahat ng club member. Kaya milyonaryo din tayo, di ba?
That's right.
Pag sinabing, Orly Mel, ang yaman nyo na, tinatanggap ko yan.
Oo, yeah, dapat ganon. Do not resist it.
Huwag mo itaboy,
Kailangan tanggapin.
Bago, lagi sinasabi ng kaibigan natin, ba't mo ba gustong yumaman? Siyempre naman, gusto kong sumimple lalo yung buhay.
Yeah.
Ba't ba gusto mong maraming business?
Simple ba ang buhay na mayaman?
Oo, kasi
Napakasimple.
hindi mo na po problemahin kung business class ba sasakyan mo o economy, di ba?
Pwede kang mag-business class, pwede kang mag-economy.
Hindi pa nga ako nakaranas ng business class I wish
Sino ba dito nakaranas na sumakay sa eroplano ng business class? Pakitaas nga kamay.
O, di ba? Ano kaya pakiramdam nun nasa sa ano na no?
Nakakad.
Ako na ano lang, by fluke,
Gano'n.
na-invite na ano sa business class, tapos pagdating doon takot ako kasi na-offeran ako ng pagkain kami agad. Sabi ko, ano ba to? May bayad ba to? Hindi ko na-enjoy, natakot.
Diba? Sabi nga ni Mentor, gusto nating umasenso dito sa ginagawa natin. Maging tayo, utak producer.
Mhm.
Hindi utak consumer. Buong buhay kasi natin mula nung bata tayo, we consume. Hanggang ngayon, we consume. Sabi nga ni Mentor, kailangan maging producer kayo. Itong ginagawa natin, this is an opportunity na maging producer tayo dahil bumibili tayo, nag-a-acquire tayo ng maraming properties, nagpo-produce tayo ng maraming housing, income properties, tumutulong tayo sa bawat isa, sa government. Ito yung sinasabi niyang, be a producer. Hindi laging consumer. Yeah, kaya mas aasenso tayo pag tayo ay producer. So with our club, tayo ay producer.
That's right.
Di ba?
That's right.
Hindi producer ng movie pwede rin. Baka meron diyang producer. May mga artistahin naman itong ating mga club member. May magaling sa atin sa facial, di ba? Kaya maganda ka na, lalo ka pang gaganda, di ba? Yun lang naman matindi dyan di ba? May mga kasama tayong galing sa number, nasa all fields, kumpleto tayo dito. Kaya masaya. Kaya excited ako our next year na mas manakita namin yung mga nakausap namin, they are ready sa next nating acquisition. So nakakatuwa, di ba? Very positive itong nakikita natin. Dati pag titingin tayo sa building, kaya-kaya namin bilhin yan, di ba? Long, how can we afford that? Di ba? We cannot afford that. Ngayon, how can we afford that? So with the club, we can afford. Di ba?
Actually, mas marami ang magiging kasama natin pagdating ng next acquisition.
Oo.
Sure.
Kasi marami talaga wait and see. Ano ba itong ginagawa natin? Masaya ba dyan? Yayaman ba tayo dyan? Yung ganyan mga pabiro. Di ba? Pero majority na kausap namin, interesado sila. Gusto ko yan. Yeah. Gusto natin yan. So, yun ang ating gagawin. 2025 is a producer year ng mga producing year ng mga club members.
Ng club members. Yeah.
10x sa lahat ng ating gagawin. 10x.
10 tayo ngayon. By the end of 2025, mga 100 tayo.
Yeah.
Club. Sarap na, no?
Di ba? 100?
So, and ito yung mga topics natin na susunod eh. We're gonna go,
Pagdala mo sa club.
we're gonna discuss about goals, action plans natin, how to be a GP. Yan ang importante nyong malaman. Kasi yung sasabihin nyo na, ay nako, wala man akong alam din eh, paano ba maging GP? It's simple to be a GP. Kailangan lang alam nyo kung paano. Okay, may pinag-aaralan about numbers, paano kayo mag-underwrite, paano kayo makikipag-usap sa mga may-ari ng properties kasi not at all times ang makakakita ng property is kami.
Yeah.
May mga pagkakataon na
Deal finder.
kayo ang makakakita ng deal.
Deal
So, you
finder.
just have to know what to ask doon sa mga taong
Tsaka underwriting, ma.
yeah. So, yung numbers natin, kailangan alam nyo kung ito ba good deal ba to? Ito ba, ito hindi. Hindi to good deal. So, paano yun? Trabaho yun ng general partners. And general partners, it's not necessarily na, oh, general partners ako, ang laki ng magiging contributions ko, wala naman akong pera na ganong kalaki. It's not that. Ang general partners is more on involvement mo dun sa deal. That's why you're being called as general partners. And ikaw din yung merong tawag nito, ways to, oh, I will gonna help raise funds. That's the general partner's job too. So, yun yung ating discussion sa susunod mga topics. So, we'll discuss about health as well. How important is health?
Health is wealth.